Hi friends, welcome to Delicacies on the Plate. Today I am going to make Panchmel Dal, also known as Panchratna Dal. As the name indicates, it has 5 different types of dal. So here I have 2 tablespoons of Masoor Dal, 2 tablespoons of Urad Dal, 2 tablespoons of Moong Dal, 2 tablespoons of Gram Dal or Chana Dal, and 2 tablespoons of Tur Dal. So all the dals I have taken in equal quantities. So this dal is rich in proteins from 5 different types of dal. Now I'll put all the dals in a bigger vessel and I'm going to wash it till I get a clear water. So at least 3 to 4 times of washing is required, and then I'm going to soak this for around 2 hours. After 2 hours, add the dal into a pressure cooker. Add water 3 times of the dal, and then I'm going to pressure cook this up to 4 to 5 whistles. Add salt to taste and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. So now this is ready to go to get cooked up to 4 to 5 whistles. Now here you can see the dal is cooked very nicely. This is the perfect consistency for the dal. Now I'm just going to mix it all together before I'll start with the tadka process. Now for tadka, start to heat up a pan. Add around 2 tablespoons of clarified butter, followed by 5 to 6 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Let the oil get heated. Add around 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida. Now for tadka, here I have 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of fennel seeds, and half of 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Add it to the oil and let it splutter. Now I'll add 1 red chili which I have broken into pieces, 1 green chili slit, and 10 to 12 curry leaves, 1 big cardamom, 3 to 4 pieces of cinnamon stick, and 4 to 5 cloves. Add it to the oil. Add 1 big onion finely chopped. Cook till it turns golden in color. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste. Cook for around 30 seconds. So now the onion has also started to change its color. It has turned golden in color. So I'll add the dry spices. So herein goes 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Cook for around 30 seconds. Then add 2 medium size of tomatoes finely chopped. Now cook till the tomatoes gets a paste-like consistency. Add salt so that the cooking process becomes faster. Do keep in mind that salt was added while cooking dal. I'll now cover the lid and I'll let it cook till the tomatoes are done. After 2 to 3 minutes you will see that the paste is done. Tomatoes have also turned tender and formed a paste-like consistency. Now to this I'll add the dal. Now mix the dal and the masala well. After the dal is mixed well, add in water if required as per the desired consistency. Now cover and let it simmer for around 5 to 7 minutes on a medium heat. Finally add in 1 teaspoon of dry fenugreek leaves. Garnish with freshly chopped green coriander leaves. Mix well, and then dal panchmel is ready to serve. You just serve it with steamed rice and it will taste really very delicious. If you have liked this video, do give a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more such delicious recipe on Delicacies on the Plate.